If you're an agency owner or someone who's looking to resell SEO services at a discount, then check out Rankifier.com or click the link in the description. Rankifier will handle your client's SEO while you focus on getting more leads and making more sales. Rankifier lets you resell their quality white label SEO products for high profits and high client retention. Plus, all agencies and resellers get a 30% discount. Some of the key benefits of using Rankifier are that you'll get white label SEO products, a 30% discount, peace of mind, high profit margins, high client retention, fast support, and access to thousands of blogs and publications for your clients. Meanwhile, your client will be getting top-notch service, a personalized SEO campaign, quality backlinks, professional writing, brand awareness, increased ranking, and getting their brand featured in high-authority blogs and publications. After placing your order, in 5 to 14 days, you'll receive a well-structured spreadsheet by email. It will detail all the backlinks, guest posts, and tasks Rankifier completed. Just pass on the spreadsheet to your client. Then the profit is yours, and all the hard work was done by Rankifier. Rankifier's quality white label SEO services have high client retention, which means clients will be happy and will keep coming back to your agency to place more orders. So if you're looking to make high profits in the SEO niche while someone else does all the work, head to Rankifier.com or click the link in the description.